And Aryan Khan's defense has also put an affidavit in the High Court where they have pointed out there has been no recovery of drugs affected from the applicant, no evidence that applicant consumed drugs, no links with allegations and counter allegations between the NCB officer and the politician. So remember, that is a side development of these various allegations that are being made between the NCB and politicians. So Aryan Khan in his affidavit has said that the allegations that have no links with these allegations and counter allegations that are being made between NCB officer and politicians. Also, the applicant hasn't made any allegations against any individual. Applicant has no connection with witnesses Sale or Gosavi. Well, let's go across now to Rohit Khilnani for more. And Rohit, a key day for Aryan Khan. Today his bail plea comes up before the High Court. He's already been refused by two lower courts, and his family also watching this very, very closely. A lot of side drama taking place, a lot of politics taking place over the entire probe, allegations, defense as well. You have Mr. Wankade's wife addressing the media and defending her husband, and we also had the WhatsApp and electronic conversations of Aryan Khan being leaked on this very same day when the bail hearing is to take place.
Yes, like you said, a lot of side drama when this started and when Aryan was arrested, taken into custody on the 2nd and then jail on the 8th. This was only about Aryan Khan and his friends. Now today this case has become something else, completely out of control. Politicians are involved. Nawab Malik every day and second day he comes out with new documents showing, alleging something against Sameer Wankhede. Sameer Wankhede himself in enough trouble of his own. He's in Delhi right now, probably answering some questions. So there's so much happening. But of course, Shah Rukh Khan's family, friends and their fans, their focus will be Aryan Khan's bail only. They are only concerned with that part, that can Aryan Khan come home. Time is running out. Diwali holidays for the court will be next week. So this week, if they want, they somehow have to get Aryan out. Otherwise, it will be a long haul once again. And then it will happen only after Diwali. So they are trying their best with the best lawyers in the country to get Aryan out on bail. And that's the focus of this family at least. But all the side drama in making enough headlines, and also Gargi, as we know, there are enough WhatsApp chats circulating. This just makes it a media trial. That's exactly what Sameer Wankhede's wife was saying, that she does not want a media trial, but by leaking WhatsApp chats, if it's come from the NCB, doesn't it make a media trial against Aryan Khan and Ananya Pandey? So does that mean a media trial against Aryan Khan and Ananya Pandey is all right, and a media trial against Sameer Wankhede is not? That's what people have to consider, all these things, and answer themselves.
All right, Rohit, and the point that Aryan Khan's lawyers have been making, and if we take a look at the affidavit that they've put in the court, is that firstly that no drugs were found on his person, and they've been emphasizing how a lot of the evidence is resting on these WhatsApp chats. Also, given that there's so many allegations being made, they've also made the point in the affidavit that no links with allegations and counter allegations between NCB officer and politicians, because that's one of the developments, one of the controversies around this entire case. Also, interestingly, he says applicant has no connection with the witnesses Sale or Gosavi, and these two witnesses are actually the Narcotics Control Bureau's own witnesses, the independent witnesses in the case. They were listed in the press release after Aryan Khan was taken into custody. So Aryan Khan saying he doesn't even know these people, he has no links to them.
Absolutely, and this has been the argument. Satish Banashinde and Amit Desai, when they were arguing in the Sessions Court as well, that one, there were no drugs found, which NCB themselves have said that Aryan was caught even before he entered this cruise. There were no drugs found on him. There was no medical test done. So, going by someone, digging into someone's WhatsApp chats, old WhatsApp chats, and digging out, that day, that month, that year, he had asked for something. Can that be proven in the court? I guess even the agency would know that much, that it's extremely difficult for all this to stand in the court. So what are we getting by putting these people and in a place like Arthur Road Jail, which is for hardcore criminals, as we know?
And And a lot of questions over the kind of witnesses the NCB is using, because again, as I point out, these witnesses, even Prabhakar Sel, who's now turned hostile, he is a witness of the NCB. And a lot of focus has also been on Gosavi, the other witness who first, that selfie with Aryan Khan went viral. Questions were raised as to how is he so comfortable moving around the NCB office in this manner. Then later a video was also shared in which he's making Aryan Khan talk to someone on the phone. So a lot of questions around this murkiness and who exactly are these witnesses that are relied on by the probe agency.
Absolutely, and this blame goes to the NCB. This case has become murky because of their way of functioning, because of their style of functioning. How is KP Gosavi, seen in two different outfits, and Aryan also in two different outfits? He has access to someone like Aryan Khan, who is in NCB's custody. He's also seen on that video that you're talking about, recording something on a mobile phone, or whether he's making Aryan talk to someone on the mobile phone. What authority does this man have? Shouldn't Samir Wankhede be sitting in his place? And if this guy has taken his place and doing some questioning, asking some questions or making him record, what gives him that access? NCB has till date not clearly answered any of those questions. They come out, they give statements, they say what they want, but these are questions that they have completely avoided.